Hi, myself B. Ramesh, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, WITS Warangal. Welcome to WITS Connect. Okay, as earlier class we have discussed about the adiabatic process, and today's session we have discussed about the polytropic process. As earlier class, in adiabatic process, heat transfer should be zero, and how it will be worked and derivation, that those are we have seen in the last class. And now today's session we have discussed about the polytropic process. In this polytropic process, both heat and work energy may be transferred across the boundary. Okay, మన polytropic process లో ఏమవుతుంది, both heat and work, okay, heat and work, but both heat and work are transferred across the boundary. For suppose we have seen the pressure versus volume. ప్రెషర్ వర్సెస్ వాల్యూమ్కి మనం ఒకసారి PV డయాగ్రామ్ కనుక డ్రా చేసుకున్నట్లయితే, ఫస్ట్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్, దిస్ ఈస్ ద P1 అండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద P2, హియర్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద V1 అండ్ హియర్ we take the V2 and we draw the first state. This is the first state and this is the second state. Okay, we are joining the two states between first point to second point. Here this is the PV to the power of n equals to C. N means that is the polytropic index. As earlier session, adiabatic index, gamma is means adiabatic index. In this session, n means polytropic index. Okay, here we have derived the work done for the polytropic process. Okay, polytropic process ki work done ee vidhanga derive chestam. Work done of the polytropic process. Okay, as generally we know the work done formula, W is equals to integration of V1 to V2 P into dV. We know this equation as earlier session. Okay, na manaku already ee formula telusu. Okay, here I will take PV to the power of n equals to P1 V1 to the power of n. Okay na, first case lo nenu PV ga తీసుకుంటున్నా and second case lo I have take the P1 V1 to the power of n. Okay, here P equals to P1 V1 to the power of n divided by V to the power of n గా రాసుకుంటాం. Okay na, here substitute P value in this equation. W is equals to integration of V1 to V2. P value is P1 V1 to the power of n by V to the power of n గా రాసుకుంటాం. Okay na, here P1 V1 values both are the constants. Okay, P1 V1 to the power of n values are constant. Integration of V1 to V2, here 1 by V to the power of n dV. Okay, ఇది మనం 1 by V to the power of n dV గా రాసుకుంటాం. Okay, here మనం ఇంకా ఏమవుతుంది, again modify this value, P1 V1 to the power of n integration of V1 to V2 P to the power of minus n గా రాసుకోవచ్చు. Okay, I will written that in this form. Next, okay, integration of V to the power of minus n is equals to, we will write as P1 V1 to the power of n is into W is equals to P1 V1 to the power of n into V to the power of, that is V to the power of minus n plus 1 divided by V to the power of minus n plus 1 divided by minus n plus 1 V1 to V2. Okay, మనకు ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ V to the power of minus n వాల్యూ అనేది ఇలా obtained అవుతుంది. Okay, here you can write as P1 V1 to the power of n is equals to P1 V1 to the power of n equals to V to the power of minus n plus 1 V to the power of minus n plus 1 minus V1 to the power of minus n plus 1 divided by minus n plus 1 గా రాసుకోవచ్చు. Okay, here we will write in this formula in this form. Okay, next, here P1 V1 to the power of n is equals to P2 V2 power of n. Okay, here the notation is P1 V1 to the power of n equals to P2 V to the power of n. Okay, again we will write as work done W is equals to, here P1 V1 place no P2 V2 గా రాసుకోవచ్చు. P2 V2 power of n into V to the power of minus n into V2. ఓకేనా, దీన్ని స్ప్లిట్ చేస్తున్నా. p to the power of minus n plus p v1 v2 గా స్ప్లిట్ చేస్తున్నారు. అగైన్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద వన్ ఈక్వేషన్ మైనస్ అగైన్ p1 v1 to the power of n into here minus here v1 to the power of minus n into v1. Okay, this is the second form divided by again minus n plus 1. Okay, now here v to the power of n positive, v to the power of n minus, those are cancelled. Here v to the power of n, v to the power of 1 minus n, those are cancelled. Here w is equals to p2 v2 minus p1 v1 divided by minus n plus 1. Again we will write this equation as p1 v1 minus p2 v2 divided by 1 minus n. Okay, now as and again we write this equation w is equals to mr t1 minus t2 by 1 minus n. In this form we will write the mr t1 because of p1 v1 is equals to mr t1. In this case we will write as p1 v1 in this place we can write as mr t1 minus t2 by 1 minus n. Again as well as heat formula, q is equals to generally q is equals to work done w into gamma minus n by gamma minus 1. This is the one of the formula of heat transfer, that is gamma minus n by gamma minus 1 into work transfer. Okay, this is the derivation of the work transfer of the polytropic process. That is the index of compression n. Okay, now polytropic index, that is nothing but n of a non-flow process, that is 1.2. Here given as polytropic index n value, that is 1.2. And next, how much work is required to compress 1 kg of air from 120 kilopascal to 600 kilopascal initially at 30 degrees centigrade. Assume gamma equals to 1.4, molecular weight of A is 29. Okay, now here what will be given in the problem, that is n value is given in the 1.2 and how much work is required, that will be find out, and mass of air is 1 kg and pressure, that is P1 initial pressure is 120 kilopascal and final pressure is 600 kilopascal and initial temperature, that is 30 degrees centigrade, and assumptions of some values, that is gamma equals to 1.4 and molecular weight of air is 29. Okay, now first we will be write as given data. Okay, now first we will write as given data what will be given in this problem. Okay, what will be given first one? First we write the initial pressure. Initial pressure, that is P1 is equals to initial pressure, that is P1 equals to how much is given, 120 kilopascal. 120 kilopascal. Okay, 120 kilopascal is given. And next what will be given as final pressure, that is P2 is given as 600 kilopascal. P2 ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు మనకు 600 kilopascal ఇచ్చాడు. Again adiabatic index n is given, that is 1.2. Sorry, adiabatic index, that is polytropic index n. Polytropic index. Okay, polytropic index n value is 1.2 is given. And next initial temperature కూడా ఇచ్చాడు. How much is given? 30 degrees centigrade. Initial temperature is given, that is T1 equals to 30 degrees centigrade plus 273. It will be converted into degree Kelvin, that is 303 degree Kelvins లోకి కన్వర్ట్ అవుతుంది. Okay, and next what will we find out? We will find out the work transfer, work required, how much work will be required, that will be find out work required. Okay, work required మనం find out చేయాలి. Okay, next what work required formula in this polytropic process, work done formula, that is work done W is equals to W formula ఏంటి మనకు polytropic process లో work done formula, that is P1 V1 minus P2 V2 by n minus 1. This is the formula of work done for polytropic process. In this one, what will be values are obtained in this question? That is the only P1 value is obtained and as well as P2 value is given, and V1, V2 values are not given. Only initial temperature is given as well as N value also given. First we will find out what we will find out V1 values and V2 values are find out. First we will find out the V1 value. How do we find out the V1 value? That is P1 V1 equals to MR P1. In this formula we find out the V1 value. In this only given as P1 value is given and M value is 1 kg is given, R value does not given. Then we will find out the R value. Okay, R value la find out chestam. That is the R value gas constant. Gas constant. R value vidhanga find out. R value R equals to, that is RU by M. Okay, now this is the formula of gas constant. Okay, that is the universal gas constant. RU equals to molecular weight of the any molecule weight of the any air or into gas constant. దీని నుంచి మనం gas constant R equals to RU by molecular weight of the air గా రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ RU value is, that is the R value is constant, that is 8.314 divided by molecular weight of the air. How much is given? That is the 29. That is 29. Then find out the R value. R is equals to, in this R value we will obtain the 0.2867 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Okay, this is the R value is obtained. This all values are substituted in this equation. That is P1 V1 is equals to MRT1. In this one V1 is equals to MRT1 by, that is P1. Okay, here V1 value is equals to, M value is given 1, R value is 0.287, 0.2867 into T1 value is 303 and divided by P1 value is 120. Here V1 value is obtained. How much V1 value is obtained? That is 0.723 meter cube of V1 value is obtained. Okay, and next we will find out the V2 value also. How do we will find out the V2 value? That is the relation between P, pressure, volume and temperature. Here we take the V2 by V1 whole power n is equals to P1 by P2. This is the relationship between the pressure versus volume in the polytropic process. In this one we find out the V2 value. In this remaining all values are available in this given data. That is V2 by V1 is equals to P1 by P2. Here the value n value is comes this side, that is the 1 by n. Okay, and here we find out the V2 value. V2 is equals to P1 by P2 whole power 1 by n into V1. Okay, in this equation we substitute all the values of V2 is equals to, P1 value is 120 kilopascal divided by P2 value is, that is 600 kilopascal whole power 1 by n value is 1.2. Here given as n value is 1.2 into V1 value is 0.723. V1 value is 0.723. Here V2 is equals to, in this equation, in this value we find out the V2 value of 0.189 meter cube of value is obtained from the in this equation. Okay, and next we will find out the work done. Okay, in this work done V1 value is obtained, P1 value is obtained, V1 value is obtained and P2 value is given and V2 value is obtained and n value also given. Then find out all the values in this equation. Then we get the work done formula. Work done, how much work done required in this problem? W is equals to P1 V1 minus P2 V2 by n minus 1. Here P1 is given, how much given? 120 into V1 is obtained 0.723 minus P2 is given 600 kilopascal into V2 is obtained 0.287 189 divided by n value 1.2 minus 1. Here our work done is obtained from this equation, that is minus 133.69 kilojoules of work done is obtained from this equation. Here we solve in this manner we solve the problems on the polytropic process. Okay, and next class we have see the another some of the problems on the polytropic process. Okay, thank you.